All right, so what is Cargo? Cargo is a Rust built system and package manager. And most of the time, developers use this tool to manage their Rust project because Cargo handles a lot of tasks for you, such as building your code, downloading libraries, code dependency. Think of it the same thing like pip if you're coming from the Python. So let's check. Usually this gets shipped with the installation that we have done, and you can see we have the access to the Cargo. If you remember, we have created a project with the help of Cargo itself using Cargo new LR Rust. Now it has created a very special file which is cargo.toml. It should it's looking like this, where you can see packages, name, version, and addition. So this is the Tom's obvious mark minimal language format, which is the Cargo's configuration format. The first line package is the section heading that indicates uh, the following statements are configuring a package. The next three lines are the set of configuration information Cargo needs to compile your program, the name, the version, and the edition of Rust to use. So we are using year 2024. And the last one is the dependency. Since we haven't installed any of the dependency, so it's pretty much empty here. Now if you remember, we have used first Rust compiled and then ran the binary, and it was a two-step process. But now let's do this with the help of Cargo. So you'll just only need to type Cargo build, and that's it. It's done. And it has done same thing. It has created a build for you, and same function. It's compiled main.rs. But if you want to make it run, you can type cargo run. Perfect. And there is also one command that checks if your syntax, if there's any error in your code, if it's there, to make sure it compiles, but it does not produce an executable when you are running the cargo check. So the question might be coming to your head: why would you won't want an executable? Often cargo check is much faster than cargo build because it skips the step of producing an executable. So it is helpful in during the development. And basically you create your code and then you type cargo check to make sure that everything is good. And once everything is done, you are ready to ship. You just have to type release release to compile it with the optimization. This command creates an executable in target release instead of target debug. So there's a difference between that, because in this the code runs very fast. By and this is why we need two different profiles during the development and during the deployment. And that's pretty much basic things that you need to remember for Cargo.